How to make font size bigger on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, we will launch Settings app. Scroll down. Now look for Display and Brightness option. Select to open it. Scroll down. Navigate to Font option. At the top, you can see the preview of current font. To make font size bigger on Android, you can see font size option where there is a slider. Select that and you can easily swipe towards right and make it to medium, large or very large. So let's make it to large. At the top here, when you scroll, you can find the font size as well or simply font style. You can choose any one of those or select more to get more options. Choose any one of them and tap on apply. Come back and here tap on apply button and your font size will be bigger on Android device. That's how we can make font size bigger on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.